Hey there, and welcome to LiveChat University. In today's lesson, we'll focus on setting up your LiveChat. From installing LiveChat on your site, to customizing and modifying the language of your chat widget, to leveraging the welcome screen. Let's do this. So, LiveChat consists of two elements. We have the customer-facing chat widget and the LiveChat app. The chat widget is what customers see on your website and where they can start a chat with you. As for the LiveChat app, it's where agents can handle chats, manually engage with website visitors in real time, or automate it, configure LiveChat, and monitor your performance. Before we get into the details, you must have a LiveChat account. If you don't have one yet, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can go and create one. Now, we have a free 14-day trial with no credit card required. If you have an account, then the first step will be to log in. Feel free to stay with the browser version or download the desktop version and keep working on it there. There's also a mobile version that looks something like this. Right, let's get to know the app. So here's our home page. It's an overview of what's going on with your LiveChat account. At first, you'll get tips on how to get things up and running. Let's go and install LiveChat on our site. There are a couple of ways we can actually go about this. So you can either integrate LiveChat with your CMS, or you can do it manually. And I'm going to show you how to do it both ways. First, integrating LiveChat with your CMS. Today we're going to be using WordPress as an example. If you have another CMS, the installation process is very similar. In short, just install the LiveChat plugin on your site. Connect your LiveChat account to the plugin, and you're ready to chat with customers. Right, to begin, you want to log into the WordPress admin panel. The first thing we're going to do is go into the plugin section, and we're going to click on Add New Plugin. Then we want to go and search for LiveChat. And here we have it, LiveChat WordPress. So let's click on Install Now and activate. So if this page does not appear, what you want to do is go into the plugin section, click on the settings button under the LiveChat plugin, which will open up the sign up page. So we're actually going to go and log in and click on Go to LiveChat. Yay! Now LiveChat has been added to the website. Right, let's go and check it out on our site. All right, and there we go. We have our LiveChat on our site. Now, let me show you the manual way. So we're going to be adding the LiveChat JavaScript code snippet to the source code of your website. So what we want to do is go into settings. We want to go to channels. We want to find ourselves an install LiveChat. Then we're going to click on copy code. We're going to go to our site. And what we want to do is paste the code right before the closing of the body tag on every page of your website. Refresh, and there we go. We have our LiveChat up and running. Customizing the chat widget. After you have installed LiveChat on your website, the chat widget will pop up. It's time to give it a different look that matches your website. So we have many customization options available. In settings, you'll find website widget and customization. So here's where the cool stuff begins. We have a live editor that lets you customize the chat widget directly on your website. And it's fun. So you want your chat widget to be yours, right? To fit your brand and visuals. So I'm always really thrilled to play around with it. I definitely do want to dive in a bit more. So you can actually preview the chat widget on any website. Let's go check it out. So here, I'm going to go with livechat.com. So there are various customization options that you can choose from, like light mode or dark mode. Now, you can also set your custom color combination for your chat widget to really fit the overall look of your website. So let's try orange. And then we also have the minimize widget, so bubble or bar, to see what you want to go with. And of course, alignment options and spacing options. Take your time customizing the chat widget so it feels right at home on your site. It's your customer's main way to chat with you, so make it welcoming. Explore the LiveChat app for more in-depth options like mobile settings and extra tweaks. Now, I also have a step-by-step video on customizing your chat widget. so you can find the link in the description. Now let me show you how to leverage the welcome screen. LiveChat's welcome screen is what customers see when they click the widget. You can add multiple channels so they can choose how to connect, like a help desk form if you're offline, or custom links like Telegram, Instagram, Calendly, and so on. This makes it easy and convenient for customers to reach you, which boosts satisfaction and helps you stand out. Let me show you how. So we want to go into settings, find website widget, welcome screen. So here you can change all the settings of your welcome screen. Now we're going to go to manage content, scroll down, find custom links, and click on add links. Paste our link, hit enter, and now we're going to have to name it. So I'm going to go with Telegram and click done. Click save changes. And on the right, we'll have a preview and we can see Telegram. Let's modify the language of your chat widget now. So matching your chat widget's language to your website is crucial, especially if you serve international customers. LiveChat supports 48 languages and lets you customize messages to fit your brand. So this helps you reach more audiences, boost satisfaction, and increase conversions. Let me show you how to change the language of the chat widget. So we want to go into settings. We want to go to website widget, and we want to find the language. So here we can change our language, choose the language that you want to go with, and click Save Changes. Of course, we can also customize our phrases, as in our welcome message or the message that is shown when your team is away, or queued customer message. You can also change the language of the chat widget for a group, meaning you can offer your live chat in several different languages by setting up different languages for your groups. If you're interested, you can find a link in the description to a whole in-depth video on how to do just that. Right, that was a lot. I'm proud of you. So all that's left for today is to set a reminder for our next lesson coming out soon. Click on that bell icon and you'll get a notification as soon as our next lesson comes out. See you soon.